Hello. What are we doing here? Why do I want to show you exploring nature? There's a trail here in South Carolina, and they want to video this to show you all the things that God has made, trees and plants, even you. I want to show you what's around here. To know that God has made these things and He has a purpose. And I want you to enjoy watching these as I make them about exploring nature. And maybe you can try. Go out for yourselves, hiking, camping, fishing, hunting, whatever you can see. All that God has made. And you can enjoy it. I grew up always exploring, fishing, looking at the moon, enjoying the sun, hot or cold, it didn't matter. And I want to help all of you to be eager to go out and explore nature. I'll see you next time.